Hello again. Today we will be solving some problems based on the previous topics that we have discussed. If you have missed that video, I have put the link in the description. I recommend you to watch it first. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So let's begin from a rather simpler question. Drainage density of a basin is defined as. So like we have discussed previously, it is a ratio between the sum of the stream lengths by the total area. So obviously the answer will be B. So moving on, the number of fourth order streams present as per the hierarchical classification. So nothing to be confused of the hierarchical classification. It is same as the Stehlers classification. So you count the streams from outward to inwards. So with that basic stream ordering, we get this. And here we can see there's only one fourth order stream. So the answer is. So moving on. Here we are asked to calculate the drainage density, and we are given with lengths of all orders and area. So as I have mentioned many times previously, the drainage density can be calculated by sum of all orders by area, and through that we get 1.24 kilometer by kilometer square. So moving on, here we have a diagrammatic question. Here the streams are ordered as per the Stehler method, and we have to find the maximum bifurcation ratio. So as you know, first we order the streams from outward to inwards, and we get this. And then we prepare the table of contents with stream orders and number of the order and bifurcation ratio. And then by simply counting the number of streams and a simple calculation that I have taught in the previous video, we get these values. And for this question, the answer is 2.5, as they asked for the maximum bifurcation ratio. Sometimes it is even asked for average bifurcation ratio. Remember that you are always free to pause the video and take a glance at the screen if you think the pace is too quick. Anyways, here we have a watershed has an areal extent of 660 kilometers, and we are given first order, second order and third order streams, and their lengths are given, and the basin highest point and the lowest point is given, and we are asked to solve for ruggedness number. So as you remember, the ruggedness number is the product of DD and basin relief. So why isn't the relief given in this question? Well, they have given highest point and the lowest point. So we can simply calculate the basin relief by subtracting the highest point to the lowest point. So the relief we get is 6000 meters. Since now we have basin relief, we need to calculate DD. By now we have discussed many times how to calculate drainage density. So we get drainage density as 0.78, and now by the simple multiplication we get 4.68 as the ruggedness number. So as a closing note, I want you to tell, when morphometry is applied in practical manner, a lot of other factors are taken into consideration. Since quantitative measurement of morphometry is used as a reconnaissance tool to make inference about characteristics of an area and its technonism, so factors such as hypsometric integral, drainage basin symmetry, drainage length gradient index, sinuosity, etc. are used to measure the tectonic activity. It can also have contribution in understanding geomorphology and surface water hydrogeology. In recent years, GIS and remote sensing is also being used as a convenient tool for morphometric practices. Although there is a lot to learn about this subject, but what we have covered previously should be sufficient for most of the competitive exams. So here, as you see, I have mentioned some of the factors and their formulas. You can take a minute and note them down. I have also attached a document in the description. You can go there and learn more. So in the next module, we will be studying about various physical landforms. And we are also open for any suggestions or any topic that you would like us to explain. Mention it in the comment section. And you can also let us know if the duration of the modules is too short. So if this video has helped you in any way, like, share and subscribe.